Today, I want to introduce you to the framework that has become the foundation of my work. It's called the Kawamaji Flow Framework. This framework was built for leaders, veterans, military, first responders, professional and collegiate athletes, former athletes, executives, entrepreneurs, management, and high performers in transition who want success without sacrificing themselves. This is not about motivation, because we know motivation fades. This is about building a leadership operating system that works under pressure. And by the end of this video, you understand the 4 stages of the Kawamaji flow and know exactly where you are today. Let's begin. Have you ever looked around at everything you built and thought, why doesn't this feel the way I expected? Your career is growing, your income has increased, you have earned the respect of your colleagues, yet something feels off. The reason why is you wake up every day carrying pressure instead of purpose. You make decisions from obligation instead of conviction. You keep moving because slowing down feels dangerous. Slowing down feels like fear of loss. And this is where many high performers like you live. You don't have an achievement problem. You have an alignment problem. I'm disturbed right now. And the big question I have is why success isn't enough. Most leadership advice teaches us how to produce more, work harder, become more disciplined, wake up earlier, optimize our calendar, and those things matter. You can be very productive that way. But they never answer one question. What happens when you become successful without becoming aligned? That's why you hit goals you chase for years and it still makes you feel restless. You still feel unfulfilled. You still feel frustrated. The issue isn't success. Success becomes a problem when it is built around a version of yourself you never paused to question. For many of us, ambition did not grow from comfort. It grew from a quiet need to prove wrong the people who doubted, dismissed, or overlooked you, especially when you were younger. When your identity and your actions move in different directions, 3 things happen. Pressure increases. Achievement feels less fulfilling. Productivity systems address the symptoms, not the cause. And we're going to go through the 4 stages of the Kawamaji flow framework. Stage 1, diagnose. Transformation begins with awareness. High performance can hide misalignment, so ask, do my decisions reflect my values? Would I choose this career again? Am I leading from purpose or fear? Diagnosis is not judgment. It is honest clarity. And you cannot change what you will not acknowledge. Next stage, aligned. Some things you can look at with aligned. Reconnect your identity, your values, your vision, and decisions. When values become your filter, confusion falls, confidence grows, and purpose shapes your choices. The next stage, build. And what build does is turn clarity into systems, designs your habits, your calendar, your priorities, your boundaries, and communication around what matters most. Every system should serve your purpose, not pull you away from it. And number 4, overflow. And this is where alignment becomes influence. You lead from stability, make better decisions, strengthen relationships, build healthier cultures, and create opportunities for others. This is leadership that lasts. So the question is, where do you get stuck as a leader of your life? Many leaders try to solve misalignment with more achievement, creating burnout, frustration, distance, and decision fatigue. The answer is not less success, but success rebuilt on alignment. So on the 4 steps that I broke down to you on the Kawamaji flow, which stage describes you today? Diagnose, align, build, or overflow? An honest answer will show you where to begin. If this information was useful for you today, subscribe for weekly insights on leadership, identity, purpose, and sustainable performance. Share your current stage in the comments and take the free Kawamaji Flow assessment linked in the description. Success gets attention. Alignment creates transformation. Lead with clarity, operate with purpose. I'll see you in the next video.